wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best keyhole saws. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The Level 5 Pro grade features a super slim blade that can puncture plaster without requiring excessive pressure or strength. It's built tough enough to last through years of regular use, and it has a convenient hole for hanging storage. It comes with a reinforced core and a money-back guarantee. However, the handle may be too large for some. At number 9, the Lenox Tools utility is foldable, which means you won't have to worry about your tool bag becoming punctured on your way to work. It also comes with a bonus multi-purpose saw that can cut through plastic, wood and metal. This one's compatible with other blade brands, but the hanging loop is too small, and it is flimsier than many others. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Klein Tool 6-inch cuts cleanly when pushed or pulled, making it an efficient tool for a variety of projects. It has a rubberized handle that minimizes the chance you'll suffer wrist fatigue, so you can work comfortably for extended periods. It can also be used to score wood and is a carbon steel construction. However, it doesn't come with a protective sheath. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for keyhole saws, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, one of the best things about the Milwaukee Folding Multi-Purpose is its tool-free blade changing mechanism. All you have to do is press a button. Plus, it's compatible with reciprocating saw blades for even more versatility. It's equipped with a curved handle for a secure grip and is only 7 inches long when folded, but the included saw is not rigid enough. Moving up our list to number 6. The Wilfiks Razor Pro boasts an induction-hardened cutting edge that will remain sharp for months or even years, depending on how you use it. And the gullets between the teeth are deep, which makes the task of removing chips quick and painless. This one's reasonably priced and suitable for pruning. However, it can loosen at the base over time. Halfway up our list at number 5. The dewalt 2-in-1 combo makes it possible to cut holes and plane edges quicker than ever. It features a standard jab saw in addition to a stainless steel rasping blade, both of which fold into the handle for hassle-free transport. It comes with a secure locking mechanism and is good value for the price, but it's not the best for professional use. At number 4, the Klein Tools lockback has a cushioned end, so you can strike it with your palm to make the initial puncture in plywood, wallboard and a host of other materials. Even though it has a folding design, it's just as sturdy and reliable as models with fixed blades. It locks at 125 and 180 degrees and features plastic ridges that provide a solid grip and triple ground teeth. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the exceptionally sharp Tajima Japanese is ideal for creating holes for electrical outlets, cords, light switches and more. It has 2 screws placed roughly an inch apart that keep the blade perfectly steady during vigorous sawing. It features twin rows of teeth, a thick tempered steel blade, and a chrome plating that prevents rusting. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for keyhole saws, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the dynamic Milwaukee rasping has a padded handle and a notched tip that stops the saw from slipping out as you work. The 4 holes in the blade make for a smoother cut and can also be used to even out or expand existing holes. It's equipped with a flat pommel for use with a hammer and can saw through layered materials. It won't flex under pressure. And taking the top spot on our list, the Stanley fatmax has an ergonomically shaped handle that offers enhanced comfort and safety while also giving you more control over your cuts. It's available in a pack of 6, making it a smart choice for professional teams. The fixed blade never wobbles and it's effective for cutting curves. It stands up well to frequent use. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for keyhole saws, or simply click beneath this video.